because Temu is easily one of the fastest growing Chinese wholesale apps I have ever seen. Temu has literal billions behind them in marketing. They even got an entire Super Bowl commercial. So you gotta ask, how can you get a piece of that pie? And I'm going to be teaching you how to do that exact thing in today's video. So if that does sound interesting, make sure to subscribe and also leave a comment with either your cash tag or your PayPal email, because if this video does get me 100 subscribers, I will be doing a full $100 giveaway. So make sure you put in your cash tag or your PayPal email so I can be sure to give you the reward that you so justly deserve. Using today's method, as you can see right here, I've easily been able to make almost $40 just from getting simple, easy signups. So I know that y'all are looking to get a piece of that. So you got to make sure that you watch all the way to the end of the video, because that's not the only money I've made from Temu. I also have a stack of it right here. So if that does sound interesting at all, make sure that you watch till the end of this video, because that is incredibly important, because I'm going to be having some extra secret golden tidbits that you're going to want to make sure that you're going to want to see all the way till the very end. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to make sure to join my Discord. This is an incredibly important part of the method, and you're going to want to make sure to do this, because if you don't do this, you're just simply not going to be getting the kind of money that I have gotten by using this. So you're going to want to make sure to join this Discord. And what you're going to want to do after you join this Discord, it's super simple, guys, is you're just going to want to hover over to this refer page. Now, we easily have dozens and dozens of people in here constantly DMing each other, asking questions for things like refer. So all you're going to want to do is that you're just going to want to go into this chat. I do not want to see any goddamn Temu codes in my general or in any of my other stuff. I just want to see them in this chat. So make sure you only keep them in this chat. And what you're going to type is you're just going to go in here and you're going to either respond to any of these people, or you're just going to type refer, and you're going to easily be able to get dozens and dozens of free and easy Temu invites and collect your $5 of in-store credit. On top of that, I have a bunch of Temu methods that you guys can go ahead and come in here, and you can see that these are the kind of results that I know people have been getting with these methods, and I've bought and paid for these methods for you guys, but I am offering them to you because I know that people are out here looking to scam you guys. So I'm trying to do my best to provide you with the best Temu methods ever, because I know that times are tough, and I know that people are looking for them easy Temu methods so that they can be receiving hundreds and hundreds of dollar payouts just like this one to either their Visa or their PayPal or their Cash App, wherever they want it to go. They can do it super easily using these methods. And again, if you guys are interested at all, you got to check my description and you got to make sure to join this Discord. It is the most important part, because we not only have that, but we also have the refer, as previously mentioned, where you can easily get hundreds and hundreds of dollars of credit just by fulfilling that. And then you're just easily set to make as much money through Temu as you want, because you can start a small side hustle where you take products that you get for cheap from Temu, and then you can resell them on sites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. And that's actually a way that I've been able to make a good chunk of this money right here is by doing that, because people are looking for the cheap products, and you know, if there's a supply where there's a demand, you can fulfill that, provided that you have access to that. And this Discord is going to give you that access, because you're going to be allowed to go in here and join an active and thriving community of people looking to game Temu for cheap and for free. I do have tons of offerings for methods where we do have vouchers in here with proof that this stuff does work, showing here that we have withdrawals to PayPal of people making tons of money. And all you got to do is just go in here and you got to open a ticket right here, super simple, and you just got to hit create a ticket and say which method that you want and say how you're going to be paying for it. It's honestly super simple, super simple, guys. And if you do have any questions about it, make sure to at me in my Discord, because I am quite active and I'm more than inclined to come in here and make sure that your order gets fulfilled. Or if you have any questions about any of the methods, I can come in and instantly help you and make sure that you're getting what you need. So for our next method of getting unlimited refers for Temu is you can go ahead and go to Facebook and look up Temu group refer for refer links, just like that, and then you can just hit in this search bar and we can just sit here and wait as this takes an absorbingly long amount of time. And you can see that there's a group like this with 5,000 people who are looking to game Temu just as you, and you can see how active this Discord is. We have like 11 people, 1 person, 3 people, 4 people, 8 people, just tons of people coming in here and looking to also game Temu just like you, where they can be going ahead and making tons and tons of money just from exploiting Temu. And you can go ahead and go in here, and if you don't know how to do that, you can just click this join Facebook group button, and then after you join the Facebook group button, all you got to do is that you got to just hit write something, and then when I write something, all I got to do is just paste in my Temu code, which I have my Temu code right here, guys. And if you are interested in using my Temu code to get a free 30% off of your order and a $100 coupon, make sure to use my code. It is linked in the description. You can just click on that link, and it's super, super easy. You guys are helping support the channel, and you're also helping support Temu, and you're also getting yourself a free $5 that you can just instantly use for whatever you want, as well as a 30% discount. So all you got to do is you just got to post this on Temu, on this Temu group, and then all you got to do is you just got to wait for it to post, which it'll probably take a second. This is taking an absorbent amount of time, and then just like that, I have submitted this post, and I guarantee you that I am already going to be getting a bunch of people signing up for my method and for a bunch of people signing up for my Temu account just this way. It was super simple, guys, and that is exactly how you need to do it. So that is it for today's video, guys, and if you are looking to make some easy referrals with Temu and make some easy money with Temu, make sure you gotta follow the methods listed out in this video. The first one is to join my Discord and use the refer for refer chat, and then the second one is to join the Facebook group, where on the Facebook group you can just post it super simply, and you can just have your Temu group, and there's going to be easily half a dozen people who are more than happy to sign up for your Temu code, where you can get a free $5 as well as 30% off of your order, as well as completing any of the Temu games that you want. And make sure, if you're interested, make sure to check out my Discord and also check out my paid methods. I know that all of them work. We have an active and thriving community of people looking to game Temu just like you are, and they are all very, very reasonably priced. And also, if you're interested, make sure to use my Temu code, because you're going to be supporting me, and you're also going to be giving yourself a free 30% off, which you can go ahead and use and buy a bunch of free stuff from Temu, which you can do whatever you want with. You can resell it, you can just keep it, you can do whatever you want with it. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and I hope you have a good day.